From now, from this day on, moving forward, I will be documenting myself, um, acknowledging those blessings I received, or I will practice the attitude of gratitude. Grateful naman ako sa araw-araw. I mean, I'm a grateful person, pero I want this time, I wanna document it para lagi akong ma-remind and para lagi akong may dalang positive vibes sa buhay ko. So, I wanna document it by filming myself. Being grateful every day for all of the blessings. So, ngayon, katatapos lang ng shift ko and I'm working from home. So, you know, the perks of working from home. You don't need to get yourselves ready and be presentable as how you present yourself pag nasa office. So, look at me. Wala pang ligo and all. Pero, I just wanna share lang. Kasi, kanina, while I was working, na-realize ko na when I was planning to apply for a job sa BPO industry, this is not the job that I was expecting. I was really expecting for a full-time, full on-site and a job na full voice account. So, but I'm so lucky and I'm so grateful. I will always be grateful of this binigay sa akin na path. I was brought to a company na nag-offer ng work from home and hindi siya pure voice, non-voice siya, 75% non-voice and very light ng work. I was like, sabi ko sa sarili ko, napakaswerte ko naman because God really direct me to this path kasi alam niyang dito hindi ako mahihirapan masyado and siguro alam niyang hindi ako capable i-handle ang mga irate ng mga customers emotionally. Maybe He knows my weaknesses. Of course, He does. And parang gusto ko lang i-appreciate na ang ganda lang ng parang grateful ako na first ko tong apply and first ko tong job sa BPO and here I am sa parang sa maganda. I realized na